Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language that is widely used to create interactive and dynamic web pages. In this video, we're going to take a quick look at what JavaScript is, its main features and benefits, and how it works. JavaScript is a programming language that is widely used to create interactive and dynamic web pages. It allows developers to add logic, control flow, and interactivity to web pages, which can be used to create things like forms, games, and other interactive experiences. JavaScript is a client-side language, which means that it runs in the user's browser rather than on the server. This allows for faster and more responsive web pages, as the browser can handle tasks like form validation and user input without having to communicate with the server. JavaScript can also be used to create interactive and dynamic user interfaces with the help of libraries and frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js. This allows for the creation of complex and powerful web applications that can run in the browser. JavaScript has a large and active community, which means that there are plenty of resources available to help you learn JavaScript and get started building your own applications. Additionally, JavaScript can be used in conjunction with other languages like HTML and CSS to create complete web pages and web applications. In conclusion, JavaScript is a powerful and versatile programming language that is widely used to create interactive and dynamic web pages. It allows for the creation of complex and powerful web applications, and it's easy to learn and widely supported by a large community of developers. Whether you're building a simple website or a complex web application, JavaScript is an essential tool for creating a rich and engaging user experience. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video informative. JavaScript is an essential tool for creating interactive and dynamic web pages. If you're interested in learning more about JavaScript and how it can help you create your own applications, be sure to check out some of the resources in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more web development and programming content. Thanks for watching.